This is the Nitrous Pickup Truck Instant Win competition where you have the chance to win any one of these trucks right now. Every go you have in is for that massive £10,000 end prize. So make sure you get in it to win it. Good luck.
Yeah, I've got a damn plan. Thinks he's cool cause he's got some bands. Come against me and you get pretty dumb. Yeah, I like my things with a little bit of time. I back the beef but I swear you run. So you're not that guy, no you ain't that man. Tryna make it out for the friends and fam, but don't show me if you move like clown. I'm tryna go up, not down, lost but found. Doing up town to town. I wanna get drip, not drowned, like a rich king's crown. Now these ain't just bars, they're vows. Some brothers need mouth to mouth cause they're dying for nyash. Western food and a little bit of cash. I can't